Good morning students. Today we will study class 3rd chapter number 8 more on MSW logo. In our previous chapter we have learned about FD, BK, RT, LT, home, CS, CT and HD. FD means forward, BK means backward, RT means right, LT means left, home page your CS clear the screen, CT clear text, HT home text commands in a logo. Now we will study about PU and PD command. What are the PU and PD commands? The PU command is your pen up and PD command is your pen down. How you can use this? You can see in front of your screen the MSW logo has been open here. So we have to write a text here. First we will write a command. Suppose that we are making a triangle FD 100 RT 90. After that FD 100 RT 90. Then your FD I am typing the command FD 100 and RT 90. You can see this is your FD 100 and RT 90. I have repeated the command 4 times to make a triangle. Now your PU command. What is your PU command? PU command is your pen up, means your pen direction should be in upward. And if I am writing here PD, then your pen direction will be outwards downward. This is your PU and PD command. The pen down command is used to make the turtle begin drawing again. For example, to draw two square, you need to use the PU and PD command. See the commands which I am typing. How you have to use the PU and PD command. I have used PU command. Now your PD command. RT 90, FD 120, LT 90 and your FD. This will be your PU and PD commands. Now FD 100, same you have to repeat here 4 times FD 100 and RT 90. After that you have to use HT command, means your home command. Your turtle will be removed from the screen. Now to draw a square, to draw a triangle, I have discussed in my earlier class also. Now today we will study to how to draw a hexagon. To draw a hexagon, what you have to do, first of all we have to use CS command, means clear the screen. CT command means clear the text. Now what you have to do, your turtle is hide. HT means hide the turtle, and we have used HT command to hide the turtle, and to show the turtle we have to use ST, S and T. ST command to show the turtle. Turtle has been shown here. Now we will make a hexagon, and we have to and if we have to make a hexagon, what we have to do? RT 30 and FD 100. After that RT 60 FD 100. Then we have used RT 30 FD 100, RT 60 FD 100. Now RT 60 FD 100. RT 60 FD 100. Now your RT 60 again FD 100. RT 60 FD 100. Then you have to repeat RT 60 FD 100. RT 60 FD 100. Then RT 60 FD 100. This is your regular hexagon. After that you have to type HT so that your turtle will be hide from here, and if you type ST, your turtle will be begin from here, and from CS will clear the screen, CT will clear the text, which whatever text you are writing here. This one is your text here. Now to erase it two side, type the following command in commander window. If you have to make an regular hexagon and you want to erase any two side, then what you have to use? PEBK. What is the command? PEBK 100 LT 60 and your BK 100. Okay, this will make your command, make your two side will be erased from here. Okay, let me draw a regular. This is your activity in the lab. What you have to do, if you have system in your home, then you have to do on page number 85. It is given activity in lab. You have to do activity, and you have to first install the MSW logo. Then you can you open your page on from your book, open page number 85 so that you can do the activity. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.